Okay, so first we will say about cultural studies. So in Anlin has observe about John Hardy's observation in his work Cultural Studies that cultural study is a familiar uh, presence in intellectual discourse today, but there is a little agreement about what it stands for. And John Hardy recently observed the field is driven by fundamental disagreement about what cultural study is for, in whose interest it is done, what theories, method, and object of study are proper to it, and where to see its limit. And so we know that in cultural study, in the starting, that all are in the college classroom, and in it is the teacher is explaining to the in university about one novel, and from there he is diverting his topic into feminism, and then he is talking about one of the film, and then he is talking about a girl who is having he is talking about a color purple, and then he talks about a black woman. So we can see that how teacher is diverting the topic from one to another, and by that we can see that how he is talking about a culture, that cultural study is not about a particular one topic, it is about a larger context. And we can see that cultural study is related to the literature, in that we can connect religion, culture, society, psychology, sociology, economy, privatization, and globalization. And we can see that how Michel Foucault has talked about power, that power is divided into the six part: physical force, wealth, state action, social norms, ideas, and numbers. And we can see that law of power is divided into the three parts: that power is never static, power is like a water, and power is like a like a like a compounders. And now we will see that historical content on the cultural agenda. The rise of cultural agenda seems to be related to five such progress, each of which feeds cultural questioning in different ways. The development of capitalist modernity, and second is the construction of national and national popular movement. Third is the cross culture encounters, the growth of specialized form of culture production, and lastly about elaboration of these media on global scale. Now we will see cultural study approach generally shared in four goals. So first goal is about cultural study transcend the confines of a particular discipline, such as literary criticism or history. Second is cultural study is politically engaged, and third is cultural study denied the separation of high and low, or elite and popular culture. Finally, cultural study analyzed not only the cultural work but also the mean of production. So first, so we will say now first goal. Cultural study transcribe the confine of particular disciplinary, such as a literary criticism or a history. Participate in a such a general as a critical inquiry, representation, and boundaries. Cultural studies involves the cultural phenomenon of a text. Here we can see the example that Italian opera, a Latino telenovela, the agricultural system of a prison, of prisoner's body, piercing and drawing a conclusion about the changing in the text phenomenon over time. Here are the two observations in the introduction to the cultural study edition. Lawrence Grosing, Carrie Nelson, and Paul Trencher emphasized that the intellectual promise of the cultural study lies in the attempt to cut across diverse social and political interest and address many of the struggle within the current scene. And second observation is about Henry George and other writer in the Dalhousie's review manifesto that cultural study practitioners are resisting intellectual who sees what they do and an emancipating project because it erodes the traditional division in most institute of higher education. Then we can see the second goal is about cultural studies in political agencies. The cultural critics sees themselves as a opposition not only within their own disciplinary but to many of the power structure of society at a large. So in that we can see the example of teachers that how they are suffering and they are not getting a proper income and they do not know that from where they can complain about it. And now third goal is about a cultural study deny the separation of high and low or a elite and a popular culture. You might hear someone remark at a museum. I came here to get a little culture. Being a culture person used to mean being acquainted with a highbrow art and intellectual pursuit. But is not culture also being found with a pair of trick uh, to a rock concern? So here is the example, the image of the India that were circulated during the colonial rule of the British Raj by writer like Rudyard Kipling seem innocent, but reveals an entertained imperialist argument for white superiority and worldwide dominant of other races, especially Asian. But race alone was not the issue for the British Raj. Money was also a deciding factor. So fourth goal is about a cultural study analyze not only the cultural work but also the means of production. In this we can see that how in the market that all are marketing with the help of the ads, and we can see that nowadays uh, people are advertising their book also, and in we can see that when any movie is releasing then they are also going for the promotion. So here are the references from where I have made my presentation. Thank you.
Okay, in your reference, this Urine Wilfred you have cited, what is that source?
Sir, it is our that you have that study material which you have
But
uploaded.
this link is something else. kau.edu.sa. There I opened that, but I don't find anything about Wilfred Urine there.
No, sir, it is a PDF which you have uploaded in our study material, but it was not showing a citation. That's why I have downloaded from other source. It is the same material.
No, but the book that we are referring, no, Wilfred Urine's book, that book is a different one, and when you